Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited about these products that I was able to redeem ipsy points for. So this is the Pixi LipLift Max Gloss. Glossy Lip Maximizer. And I was able to get this in the shade Peony Bloom and Petal Ice. And I'm so excited about these. I love the brand Pixi by Petra. It's a pretty reasonably priced brand. These are mini versions. The full size retails for $14. And I love plumping glosses. I have clearly very small lips and chapped, dry lips pretty much all the time. So I'm always looking for good, plumping, hydrating glosses. And I also love when they have a color to them. So I'm really excited to see how these are. They sound great based off the claims. It says, plumps lips instantly, smooths lip texture, gives intense hydration, it's paraben-free, cruelty-free, it has peptides to plump fine lines, jojoba oil to nourish, and chamomile extract to soothe. It also has a fresh mint flavor. Seriously, all things that I love in a lip gloss. But before I apply it to my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches. So here is the Petal Ice, which is just a nice clear gloss, wear on its own or on top of other lip products. And then Peony Bloom. I did see that they maybe had like 5 different shades of this, but I love a pinky magenta shade. And that one looks beautiful. So here are what those swatches look like. They have really nice shine. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Peony Bloom to my lips. And I am so excited to see how this looks. My lips are feeling so chapped right now. Oh, and it really does have such a fresh, like natural mint, like the mint plant smell to it. Ooh, I love the texture of it, very slick. It's actually not as pigmented as I was expecting based off of how it looks here. It really is more just like a tint, a little hint of color. Ooh, but I can feel that cooling feeling. Oh, and it looks so pretty. Such high shine. And I'm leaving it on my lips waiting to see if there's any like stinging feeling, but no. It doesn't have that stinging, burning feeling that other plumping lip glosses tend to have. It really just has that cooling, almost like refreshing feeling on the lips, but definitely hydrating. I do feel like it has smoothed out the texture in my lips too, like it claims, but I don't think that it's making my lips look bigger. I think it plumped them by giving hydration and smoothing them out, but the actual size of my lips doesn't seem to be enhanced by this. I feel like you need those stinging, burning lip plumpers to really get that effect. So this is more of like a toned down, nice, super hydrating plumping lip gloss. I personally would be okay if it was more of the stinging kind that actually makes my lips get bigger, but for just a really pretty, shiny, and moisturizing gloss, I think this is nice. It's not going to be my go-to plumping and enhancing, make my lips bigger plumping gloss, which is what I was kind of hoping for because I'm always on the search for one of those. But it is still really pretty. It also doesn't have as much color as I would have wanted in a colored lip gloss. It's very sheer. So it's just a little bit less than I was expecting overall, but it's not bad in any way. If I didn't have those expectations and hopes of this, I would be like, oh yeah, this is a really nice, just classic lip gloss with a cooling feeling to it. But if you have any recommendations for good plumping lip glosses that actually kind of make your lips bigger, please let me know in the comments down below because I love trying out that type of lip product. I keep waiting and looking in the mirror to see if there's going to be any change, but no, just hydration to my lips, which I am happy to have because my lips were feeling very uncomfortably chapped before this, and now they feel and look completely hydrated. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.